I just got my fall Fabfitfun box in the mail today, so we're going to open it together. So this is the magazine. It looks like they switched from like a newspaper to magazine style. I think I'm gonna like this better. And this is Luna, Life is Richer. $3 off a box of Luna bars on Amazon. They always have a cute little sticker. Fall leaves this time. Alright, first thing we got is a Simply Whimsical towel. They're kitchen towels. It's like a pack of 2. Here we have Bluetooth wireless earbuds. Alfred ceramic and stainless steel teapot. Oh, I should say, this was a choice, by the way. You had a choice between this and a couple other things. I don't remember what they were. And then this was another choice. You could choose between the teapot or a French press. Pretty cute. Got the little mesh liner in here. Brew your tea. We've got Glamglow Bubblesheet, Oxygenating Deep Cleansing Mask. 2 of them. It says, have fun, get clean. This is by Alchemist, Polishing Facial Exfoliant. This was also a choice. You could choose, I believe, same brand between a face wash, the exfoliant, and a lotion. I really like exfoliants, so I'm super excited about this one. And it feels like a paint tube. Like a squeezy oil paint tube. It's like metal feeling. Next we have a Skin&Co Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. From the Italian collection. We have a Beautyblender. I don't know if there's anything special about this one. It doesn't say. Oh, this was another choice. This is the Camuto Tote sleeve. And there were 2 color choices, brown or black. Vegan leather. Alright, last thing in the box. Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Touchin' Soul. And this is number 2, Henny. Got two sides that screw off. The doe foot applicator.